Hello everyone, we are going to see about between and not between operator. The between and non between operator in a MySQL are used to filter rows based on a range of values. The between operator selects rows whose values fall within a specified range, while the not between operator selects rows whose values fall outside the specified range. Now I am going to show you the syntax of between. For that I am going to use select select column 1 column 2 from table name where column name between value 1 and value 2. Now I will explain. The between the this operator select rows whose values are within a specified range. Next, I am going to show you the code of between operator. Suppose you have a table called employee with a column name salary and you want to retrieve employee whose salary fall within the range of 3000 to 5000. You can use the between operator as follows. Now I will show you how to use between operator. For that I am going to select all, select star from EMP where salary between 3000 and 5000. We are selecting all columns from the employee table. We are specifying the condition salary between 3000 and 5000, which means that we want to retrieve rows where the salary column value falls within the range of 3000 and 5000. Now I will run this code. See, we are getting John Doe who is getting 4500, Alice Johnson who is getting 3500, and Mary Brown whose salary is 3000. See, we are getting 3000 to 5000 the salary range. Next, we are going to see about not between. For that, I am going to show you the syntax. Select column 1 and column 2 from table name where column name not between the ranges value 1 and value 2. The not between operator select rows whose values are outside the specified range. Now I will show you how to write the code. Suppose you want to retrieve employees whose salary fall outside the range of 3000 and 5000. You can use the not between operator as follows. Now I will show you how to write the code. Select star from employee where salary not between 3000 and 5000. We are selecting all columns using star from the employee table. We are specifying the condition salary not between 3000 and 5000, which means we want to retrieve rows where the salary column value falls outside the range of 3000 and 5000. Now I will run the code. See, we are getting Jane Smith, whose salary is 5500, and Bob Williams 6500, David Lee 7500. Using the between and not between operator, you can easily filter rows based on range of values in MySQL queries, making it convenient to retrieve data within or outside specified boundaries. Thank you.